This website claims that you can make about $40 PayPal money, and also you can make a lot of money via gift cards. But is it actually true? It's not as simple as you think. Let's actually go through and I'm going to give you my honest review of the whole website, and let's look at it how you can earn some money and what to do to make sure that you earn that money properly and you don't have any issues and all of your reviews are accepted by the moderation team. Hi, my name is Waleed from Waleed Talks Finance. I make videos for you guys to make money online. So please do give this a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to earn financial freedom. Now let's get right into it. This website is called G2.com. G2 is a software reviewing website. You gotta see it as a business. They are a business, so they want authentic and timely reviews from real users. When we are gonna be writing reviews, we want them to be as authentic as possible. So they have the most popular software categories. You have practically any software that you have. So if you use any software that you use on your computer, you can write a review about it. Also, this is a great opportunity if you're selling software because you can reach more buyers. So you can make a G2 profile and sell your software over here, and then you can and then people are going to review your software. As it said, the CEO founder of HubSpot, we are in a crisis of trust. In this day and age, you create trust through things like G2 and happy customers, not necessarily through great sales and marketing. So in this day and age of trust issues, we come in and we review software and we tell people how it is. So you're actually making an important role. So that is why they can give you a lot of money for creating reviews, but they want good reviews. So how do you actually sign up? You sign up via g2.com and you go on write a review. You're gonna write a review. Let's do one together. Let's say I want to talk about e-commerce and retail. What is one video conferencing tool that I might be using right now? I might be using, okay, so here are the top ones that come up. The professional tools. Remember, this is a professional website. So you're gonna search all. So let's say Zoom. You write Zooms over here. Okay, done. You continue. You're gonna search for a product. You can find more to review, but let's review one. Okay. So you're gonna click on continue to log in. Then you're gonna create an account. They want a business email address or business Google email, or normal Gmail addresses don't work. So also, but don't worry about it, a LinkedIn profile will. But don't go ahead and start a fresh LinkedIn. You still want some history of that LinkedIn account because they want to see if you have connections. So my experience, if you have a freshly new LinkedIn account, they won't pay out. You want a LinkedIn account that is a bit older and has a lot of connections. Not a lot, but necessarily has some connections on it. A good profile on it, a good bio, some work history. You want to have a LinkedIn that is real. They don't want any spam on their website. So I'm actually going to log in with my LinkedIn. All right, so this is how the platform will look inside. You have your LinkedIn, you can write a review. So you have your profile details, your activity center, your privacy, your notifications, and there it is. Your rewards and everything, product used. One great method of money making online that I recommend, for people is once you choose a website, for example, G2 in this case, go on Google and click G2 make money or earn money and slash Reddit. Reddit is a great place where people are going to give their experience and their feedback on it. So you can actually see over here, you can earn gift cards from writing reviews on G2. The moderation is inconsistent. Sometimes they will accept you, sometimes they won't. But you gotta make sure that you have you gotta use this software that you're reviewing professionally. Sometimes they give out gift cards via Amazon, or sometimes they give out gift cards through another website, or even it is PayPal money also, and they do pay out. it is a trusted website. This website works outside of the US also, and it also works in Canada or any other country. Comment down below where you're from and let's interact, let's get talking. See over here on Reddit, there's one post about a supposedly worker for G2 and their reasoning from it. All the reviews are evaluated by employees like them. If you did not receive a gift card, or if you did not receive the PayPal money, there's a few possible scenarios, such as little to no information, or you did not understand the software, or you copied other softwares. Make sure you do not copy. If you do want to take inspiration from other people, make sure that you do paraphrase and rephrase the tool in your own words. There's also tools online, paraphrasingtool.com, that you can use to repurpose another person's review. This site is intended to provide information regarding software applied for business purposes. It's not recreational purposes. So your review cannot be like, oh, I liked it, it was good. It has to be like, what purpose did it bring me to, and how did it actually impact my life? And you gotta make it like professional, as if you were submitting something for work or for school. You don't want to have an old LinkedIn account from like college or something. You want to have something that is updated and fresh. So these were my tips and tricks to earn money with G2, and the caveats that you have to fill in and make sure that you don't make the mistakes that other people have done. And make sure you guys go down, like and subscribe, and watch my other videos on other ways to make money online. It was your boy Waleed Talks Finance. Until next time, peace.